So right, good morning everyone, good morning. So right, today we're going to be looking at some charts, trying to look at some currency pairs, look at some chart setups, see what we've got going on in the market for today. So just a quick recap on last week. Currently I made 62 pips last week of GPP USD. I'll show you this right now. Like you see, this was a beautiful trade for me last week, which I'm going to quickly break down for you. So what happened here, what I was looking at, I was waiting for price to break this support level right here, which it did. And then once it broke, I was hoping for the market to push back up and retest the support level, which should now hold as our new resistance level, and which it did. Then it rejected it and shot right back down. So if you hold this trade would have been quite a good trade to hold. If you hold that trade, you could have gained easily 200 pips. And that would have been a nice trade to hold right there. So that's for GBP USD. That's just a quick recap of last week's trade. And right, so we're going to start off with Aud Cad. So you know what, this trade, this was actually a good trade to take. But the problem with this trade is you wouldn't want to hold your trade over the weekend. So you would have had to ignore this trade setup for Aud Cad. So now what I'm looking for on Aud Cad is this level right here to form as our new support level. So I would want price to push down to this level right here and see how it reacts. So with Aud Cad, we've got these two support and resistance level marked up right here. So if you want to take note of that, I'll say take note of that. Now we're going to move on to Aed Jpy. We've got this new resistance level, support level formed right here. And then we've got a new resistance level formed at 93.27. So Aed Jpy, that is our new support and resistance level right there. And now for that pair, that is just going to be a waiting game. So I'm going to look at this on a daily time frame actually. So right, let me actually I think AD USD might, it looked like it can push to the upside. I wouldn't really, that's just, it's alright, you know what, we're going to start fresh with AD USD. I want to remove everything. So we're just going to highlight a new support level and resistance level. But looking at it on what I was doing, I was looking at it on the daily time frame. And price on the daily time frame, it has broken that resistance level, that daily resistance level. So with AD USD, that is our new support and resistance level going into this week. UAD, yeah, this pair is just choppy. I wouldn't say choppy, I mean it's just kind of all over the place. I don't really see any nice structure, giving me any nice structure to have a setup. So let's look at it on a daily time frame. I'm seeing some nice daily resistance level. I'm in daily support levels. So, with you at AD, I'll probably just keep an eye on that support level right there. I probably would ignore this pair for this week. Wow. So Usd Jpy, highlight as our new support level right there. That's going to be my new support and resistance level for Usd Jpy for this week. To be fair, this look like look like it's ready for a sell. Wouldn't rush into this trade because it's Monday morning. I don't really like to trade the Monday morning unless if it's a really good setup, then I would take the trade. But I tend to not trade on Mondays. Right, let's look at a daily on Euro USD. So right, with Euro USD, you see how the market has broken this support level right here? It's broken that support level. So what I would do now, I'll wait to see if the market can have will the market retest, push back up to this support level, which now should hold as my resistance level. So with Euro USD, I'm probably just going to wait for the market to see if the market can pull back to this level right here. So that's a nice setup there we got on Euro USD, waiting for the pullback. GPP Aed, I'll be honest with you, I'm probably going to stay away from this pair this week. But I'm going to put, so this is going to be our new support level, yeah. So I'm going to put that as our new support level. Yeah. So I'm going to hold that as our new support, resistance and support level. So that's GP Aed, and I'll be honest with you, I'm probably not going to take any trades on GP Aed this week. GPP Chef. So with GPP Chef, this is our new support level right here. And this level right here, 1.180, will continue holding it as our resistance level for this week. So GPP Chef's pretty much easy. Everything remaining the same for this week. GPP USD, because we had a nice winning trade on that last week, I'm not going to trouble that. We're going to ignore that for this week. Aud Cad. It's a bit choppy, isn't it? So this is going to look like it's going into a consolidation zone right now. So I'm going to highlight this area here as my support level, which means, as you should all know, this level right here is going to be now, this level at 0.080 is going to be my resistance level. So remember, this is just my Monday setup, setting up my charts for the week. New resistance and support level. That's what I'm going to be doing, videos like this every Monday, highlighting my support and resistance level for the week. So that's our new support and resistance levels for Usd Cad for this week. Let's move on to Usd USD. Wow. So we've got a new support level on USD at 0.612. Then this level here at 0.61 is going to be our new resistance level for USD. So let's look at it on a 1 hour. So you can see price has gone into a consolidation range right now. So what I would do is wait for a breakout either to the upside or the downside on USD. So this will be a nice trade to look out for this week. Highlight as red. So when I have highlight red here, that means I'm going to keep my eyes a close watch on this currency pair for this week. Waiting for a breakout, that means setup is pretty much close to happening. So with USD Cad, you know what, this just looks messy already. Oh, so I'm on a 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I'm not going to force no support and resistance levels on USD Cad. If you want to highlight that resistance level here, you could. If price comes back up to this level here, see how it reacts with this resistance level. Yeah, that would be it for USD Cad, if I'll be honest. Problem with trying to find a support level on USD Cad, we've got these two areas here. So this looks like a false breakout that happened here, but then it pushed back down close to this false breakout level right here. So that's the whole reason why I'm not going to put a support level on USD Cad, just so we can get a bit more structure on that support level around here. So you see resistance level looks nice, got structure there, but support level can't find no good structure. So that's USD Cad. We're just going to have a resistance level of 1.30. Let's move on to USD Jpy. Wow, we've got a breakout happening off that resistance level. I was waiting for that this week. You know what? This looks like a trade we can take right now. Oh, you know what? I think I'm going to take this trade. So people, bear with me 1 minute. I'm just going to go on my phone and take this trade. So we got USD Jpy. We're going in for a buy right now. USD Jpy. So we're going in for a buy right now. So I literally just bought USD Jpy. And now I'm gonna so now basically this is like a live trade I'm showing you that right now. So I've just bought USD Jpy. I'm looking at around, so what I normally do is I'm gonna put 10. I'm gonna put my stop loss 10 pips behind this wick right here. So that's gonna be around 43 pips I'm risking. And remember, if the trade goes over, if I don't really like to risk anything more than 50 pips. Push it to 60, but nothing more than 50 pips I really like to risk when I'm trading. So we're going to do a risk ratio 1-to-1. Risk reward ratio, we're going to do a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. And there we go. So people, that's USD Jpy. Just took this trade right now. Reason is because it's just broken that resistance level right there. I'm looking at on a 1 hour time frame. I'm liking this candlestick formation we have right here. And there we go. So I'm in USD Jpy. For 43 pips, you can see right there. So right, let's move on. I'll probably come back to that trade. We look at it during the week and I'll come back to you and let you know how that trade went. Remember, you're not going to win every trade. Like the last couple months, my trading, I've actually been losing quite a few trades, winning a lot as well, but having a lot more losses. So we're going to move on to gold. So right, this is an interesting area for gold right now. Similar to USD Jpy, this is gonna have a gone into we're gonna wait for the breakout. But also you can see that price has gone into a consolidation range as well. So with gold, I'll probably wait for a breakout this consolidation range right now. Wait for a breakout out of this consolidation area right here. Either to the downside or to the upside. You just gotta be patient. So that brings it to an end for this stream. Yeah, people, man, I hope this has helped you. And yeah, man, I should all see you during the week. I'll give you an update on USD Jpy, how that trade's going. Hopefully that trade will work out for me.